What if I told you that your energy, mood, skin, immunity, and even focus might be controlled by something most people completely ignore? Your gut. Think about it for a second. How many times have you felt tired for no reason? How often do you deal with bloating after meals? Have you ever noticed your skin breaking out, even when you're taking care of it? If you're dealing with bloating, low energy, frequent stomach issues, brain fog, or just not feeling your best, this video could literally change how you feel every single day. And the best part, you don't need expensive supplements, extreme diets, or complicated routines. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on products that promise magic results. Today, I'm going to share natural remedy recipes for gut health that people around the world have used for generations. And you can start using them today. These are remedies that your grandmother probably knew about, backed by what we now understand about digestive health. So stay until the end, because the last remedy might be the easiest one and the most powerful. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is the place where we talk about natural health, simple remedies, and practical ways to feel better using real food and real habits. We believe that healing doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Now, quick disclaimer before we begin. This video is for educational purposes only. These remedies support gut health, but they don't replace professional medical care. If you have serious digestive issues, please consult with a healthcare provider. All right, let's dive in. Your gut isn't just a digestion tube. It's actually one of the most complex and important systems in your entire body. Some scientists even call it your second brain because of how much it affects your overall health. Inside your digestive system live trillions of bacteria, known as your gut microbiome. We're talking about roughly 100 trillion microorganisms. That's more than the stars in our galaxy. These bacteria help digest food, absorb nutrients, support your immune system, influence your mood and mental clarity, and reduce inflammation throughout your body. In fact, about 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. Your gut also produces around 95% of your body's serotonin, the hormone that makes you feel happy and calm. So, when your gut is unhappy, your whole body feels it. Your mood suffers, your energy drops, your skin reacts. Everything is connected. Common signs of poor gut health include bloating or gas after eating, constipation or diarrhea, frequent stomach discomfort or pain, low energy even after sleeping well, skin breakouts and dullness. Food sensitivities that seem to appear out of nowhere, difficulty concentrating, and even unexplained weight changes. The good news, your gut can heal, and food is one of the most powerful tools available to you. Nature has provided us with incredible ingredients that support digestive health naturally. Before we get into recipes, you need to understand 3 pillars of gut health. First, feed the good bacteria. Your gut needs beneficial bacteria to function properly. Second, reduce irritation. Certain foods and habits irritate your gut lining and cause inflammation. Third, support digestion naturally. Help your body break down and absorb nutrients more efficiently. Every remedy in this video supports at least one of these pillars. Let's start with the first and most important one, homemade probiotic yogurt drink. Probiotics introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut, helping restore balance. This is one of the oldest and most effective gut remedies across cultures. For this drink, you'll need 1 cup plain unsweetened yogurt, ½ cup water, a pinch of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon raw honey, which is optional. Make sure your yogurt contains live active cultures. Check the label before buying. Add yogurt and water to a glass, stir until smooth and creamy, add cinnamon and honey, mix well and drink in the morning or afternoon. The consistency should be like a thin lassi or drinkable yogurt. This supports digestion, reduces bloating, and helps maintain healthy gut bacteria. The cinnamon adds anti-inflammatory benefits, while the honey provides natural prebiotics that feed good bacteria. Start with small amounts if you're new to probiotics. Your gut needs time to adjust. Next up, the morning gut cleanser. Warm lemon water. Simple, powerful, overlooked. This is probably the easiest remedy on this list, yet so many people skip it. You'll need 1 cup warm water, not hot, not cold, just comfortably warm, and juice of half a fresh lemon. Always use fresh lemon, not bottled lemon juice. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, at least 15 to 20 minutes before eating anything. It stimulates digestion, encourages gentle detox, helps your stomach produce digestive juices, and kickstarts your metabolism for the day. The vitamin C also supports your immune system. This isn't a magic cure, but over time it helps create a healthier digestive environment. Many people report less bloating and better morning energy after just 1 week of this simple habit. Now let's talk about the anti-inflammatory gut tea, ginger and turmeric tea. Inflammation is one of the biggest enemies of gut health, and this tea fights it naturally. You'll need 1 inch fresh ginger sliced or grated, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder or fresh turmeric, 1 cup hot water, and optionally honey or lemon for taste. You can also add a pinch of black pepper. It helps your body absorb turmeric better. Add ginger and turmeric to hot water. Let steep for 5 to 10 minutes to release all the beneficial compounds. Strain and enjoy warm. The longer you steep, the stronger the benefits. This soothes digestive discomfort, supports and protects your gut lining, and reduces inflammation throughout your digestive system. Drink this after meals or when your stomach feels off. It's especially helpful after heavy or rich foods. Next is the fiber-rich gut smoothie. Fiber feeds your good gut bacteria, helping them grow and thrive. Think of fiber as fertilizer for your microbiome garden. You'll need 1 ripe banana, ½ cup mixed berries like blueberries, strawberries or raspberries, 1 tablespoon oats or chia seeds, and 1 cup almond milk or water. You can also add a handful of spinach. You won't taste it, but you'll get extra nutrients. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. Drink this in the morning or as an afternoon snack. It's filling, delicious, and incredibly healing. This supports regular digestion, improves stool consistency, promotes microbiome balance, and keeps you feeling satisfied longer. Important note: increase fiber slowly to avoid bloating. If you're not used to fiber, start with smaller portions and build up over time. Now for the soothing gut soup, a simple vegetable broth. Warm, gentle foods are incredibly healing for the gut, especially when you're experiencing digestive issues. You'll need carrots, celery, onion, garlic, and water. You can also add herbs like parsley, thyme, or bay leaves for extra flavor and benefits. Use organic vegetables if possible. Chop vegetables into chunks, add to a large pot with water, bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 45 to 60 minutes. The longer you simmer, the more nutrients release into the broth. Strain and drink the warm broth. It's incredibly easy to digest, provides essential minerals and electrolytes, helps calm irritated digestion, and hydrates your body deeply. This is perfect during digestive flare-ups, when you're feeling unwell, or as a gentle reset after overeating. You can sip it throughout the day like tea. And finally, the apple cider vinegar tonic. This one has been used for centuries and remains popular for good reason. You'll need 1 teaspoon raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Look for one with the mother, which contains beneficial bacteria, and 1 cup warm water. You can add ½ teaspoon honey if the taste is too strong for you. Drink before meals, once a day. Start with smaller amounts and gradually increase as your body adjusts. This supports healthy stomach acid levels, helps break down food more efficiently, may reduce indigestion and acid reflux, and promotes better nutrient absorption. Always dilute, never drink straight vinegar, as it can damage your tooth enamel and throat. Now, food alone isn't enough. Here are simple lifestyle habits that make a massive difference in your gut health. Eat slowly and chew thoroughly. Chewing helps digestion start in the mouth and signals your stomach to prepare for food. Aim for 20 to 30 chews per bite. Manage your stress levels. Stress directly affects gut bacteria and can cause digestive issues, even when you're eating healthy. Practice deep breathing, meditation, or gentle walks. Stay well hydrated throughout the day. Water keeps digestion moving smoothly and helps fiber do its job properly. Aim for at least 8 glasses daily. Get enough quality sleep. Your gut repairs itself while you rest. Poor sleep disrupts your microbiome and increases cravings for unhealthy foods. Move your body regularly. Exercise stimulates digestion and promotes healthy gut bacteria diversity. Even a 20-minute walk helps. Small daily habits equal big long-term results. Consistency matters more than perfection. Now, let's talk about mistakes that hurt gut health. Avoid these common gut destroyers: consuming too much sugar, which feeds harmful bacteria, eating ultra-processed foods full of additives and preservatives, eating too fast without proper chewing, ignoring food sensitivities and continuing to eat foods that bother you, constant snacking which never gives your digestive system rest, excessive alcohol consumption, and not managing stress. Healing your gut isn't about perfection. It's about awareness and making better choices more often. Here's the truth most people never hear. Your body wants to heal. It's designed to heal. It just needs the right support and the right environment. You don't have to overhaul your entire life overnight. You don't need expensive products or supplements. You don't need extreme diets that are impossible to maintain. Start with one remedy from this video. Just one. Pick the one that feels easiest and most appealing to you. Master that habit. Then add another one. One small change leads to another. And over time, those small changes compound and can completely transform how you feel. Your energy improves. Your digestion gets better. Your skin clears up. Your mood stabilizes. Everything shifts. If you found this video helpful, like this video. It helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information. Comment gut health if you want more natural remedy videos like this one. Subscribe for weekly wellness and natural health content. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. And share this with someone who's struggling with digestion. It might help them more than you realize. Thanks for watching. Take care of your gut. And I'll see you in the next video. Before you go, we have a special gift for you. If you like this video, we would like to share our health and wellness ebook filled with simple natural remedies and healthy lifestyle tips. Email us at fabieshealthwellness@gmail.com. Just send us an email and we'll share this ebook with you. This is a great way to continue your wellness journey with Fabies Health and Wellness. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your gut. It's the only one you have.